In a quiet village, there lived a wise old man who was known for his deep wisdom and kindness. People often came to him for guidance, but among them, his young grandson was his most eager listener. One evening, the boy sat beside his grandfather, looking troubled. "Grandfather," he said, "sometimes I feel happy and kind, but other times, I feel angry and jealous. It's like there are two sides to me, and I don't understand why." The wise old man smiled gently and said, "Come, my child, let me tell you a story. Inside every one of us, there is a battle going on. It is a battle between two wolves. One wolf is evil. He is full of anger, jealousy, greed, arrogance, and lies. He thrives on hatred, fear, and resentment. He wants to see others fail and never forgives. This wolf grows stronger whenever we give in to negative thoughts and emotions." The boy's eyes widened as the old man continued. "The other wolf is good. He is full of love, joy, peace, kindness, hope, and generosity. He represents truth, compassion, humility, and faith. He lifts others up and forgives those who hurt him. This wolf grows stronger whenever we choose kindness and positivity." The boy thought for a moment and then asked, "But grandfather, if both wolves live inside us, which one wins?" The wise old man smiled and placed a gentle hand on his grandson's shoulder. "The one you feed." Understanding the meaning, the boy thought deeply. "So, if I feel angry or jealous, does that mean the bad wolf is winning?" The old man shook his head. "No, my child. It is natural to feel emotions. But what matters is what you do with them. If you let anger control you, the bad wolf becomes stronger. But if you choose to stay calm and kind, the good wolf will grow instead. Every day, with every decision, you are choosing which wolf to feed. When you help someone, when you speak kind words, when you forgive, you are feeding the good wolf. But when you lie, hurt others, or act selfishly, you are feeding the bad wolf." The boy nodded, understanding for the first time that his choices had power. The old man continued, "Life will always give you situations where both wolves want to take control. If someone is unkind to you, the bad wolf will tell you to fight back with anger. But the good wolf will whisper, 'Stay calm. Be understanding.' If you fail at something, the bad wolf will say, 'You are a failure, give up.' But the good wolf will say, 'Try again, learn, and grow stronger.' If you see someone succeed, the bad wolf will make you jealous, but the good wolf will make you feel happy for them and inspired to work harder. The wolf you choose to listen to will define who you are." The boy looked up at his grandfather and asked, "How can I make sure I always feed the good wolf?" The wise old man smiled and said, "By practicing kindness, gratitude, patience, and self-control. By surrounding yourself with good people. By learning and growing every day. And by remembering that no matter how strong the bad wolf may seem, you always have the power to stop feeding it." The lesson for all of us. This story is a reminder that we are in control of our own thoughts, emotions, and actions. We all have both wolves inside us, the one full of darkness and the one full of light. Every day, with every choice, we decide which wolf will grow stronger. So ask yourself, which wolf are you feeding today? Thank you for watching this story. If this message inspired you, take a moment to reflect, are you feeding the right wolf? Let's choose kindness, gratitude, and love every day. If you enjoyed this, like, share, and subscribe for more positive and motivational stories. See you in the next video.